Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to connect Dishwasher Bosch SPV. So in the first step, try to find the drain out pipe. This for a dirty water, this is a water out socket. The next one is a inlet hose for a water supply. This device can be connected to the hot and cold water. If you want to connect it to the hot water because you have a photovoltaic, for example, you can manage the settings menu and switch it to the hot water between 40 and 60 degrees. How to do it you can find on our channel. And the last one, of course, is a power cord, so just plug it to the electricity and your dishwasher is ready to run. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.